Are you in the market for a reliable and stylish SUV? Look no further than this 2022 Volkswagen T-Cross 1.0 TSI 95B horsepower life with rear view camera. With only 44,704 kilometers on the odometer, this blue beauty is practically brand new. Packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and more, you'll ride in comfort and style. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and a collision avoidance system. Plus, with roof rails for added convenience and style, this T-Cross has it all. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. With a comprehensive warranty, you can hit the road with peace of mind. Don't wait, call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this amazing Volkswagen T-Cross.